Hey, good morning, it's Tommy. I'm here at the house. Romero and I were supposed to go out this morning offshore fishing, but checked the radar and it doesn't look good. It looks like we're going to start getting rain around 9 in the morning and scattered thunderstorms throughout the day. So we decided to go ahead and just give it a shot tomorrow. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and change the oil in my wave runner. I hit the 50-hour mark, so it's due. But these are some of the things you're going to need: oil filter, a ratchet, funnel, oil filter, a wrench, and in my case glasses because I'm blind as a bat, but also oil, which I have over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this top off to get more access into the engine bay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I grabbed my vacuum pump out of my storage shed, and I'm gonna go ahead and start pumping the oil out. So I do recommend that before you start pumping the oil out, to go ahead and start the engine, run it for a minute or two, get that engine oil warm or hot. It's easier to drain out and you get a lot more out that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pumping this out, and we'll go from there. All right, so I got the oil being pumped out now, or drained out. This is gonna take a while, but I recommend come out here, check every 10-15 minutes. You might have to have to pump it back up again, but we'll move on to the next step after this. Okay, so the oil is drained out. I got about a little over 4 quarts out of it. Next thing I had to do is I got to pull the oil filter out, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and, which I already did, is shove an old towel underneath there to catch any oil that might leak out of the filter when you're taking it out. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I got the old oil filter off and installed the new one. See it right there. But before I put it on, I went ahead and oiled that ring, that sealant ring. And all I gotta do now is fill it up, check the levels, crank it up, make sure it sounds good, and we're ready for tomorrow to go offshore if the weather holds out. Okay, so I'm done. Got the top cap back on it. The oil level's perfect, so it's ready to go. Cranked it up, sounds good. So it's ready to go for tomorrow. I'll see you then.